This is my lecture after a long wait. Actually, I was busy in doing other jobs, so I will try my best to upload lectures on time. But keep patience and be with me. Today we will learn how we can gain fluency. Fluency is a technique. You cannot learn it through your ordinary schooling, ordinary grammar. You have to know some tricks about fluency. So let us learn one trick about it. Trick 1. Okay, what you need to do, you need to understand that there are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So there are such 7 topics on which you will talk. Means you will talk either about your group or yourself. At that time you will use these two, I and we, called first person. Then you will use this called second person, and then you will use this called third person. Okay, no problem. Now we will see how we can add the word is, am and are. We are going to learn these phrases. For example, I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is and it is. Now we are having I am, we are, likewise. Okay, so we are having all these things: I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Now it becomes the poem. Now memorize this rhythm. This must come up almost automatically in your mind when you want to speak. So I am, we are. Let us see what are their uses. So uses, first use is when you write the I am, we are, you are, they are, you can use here the word, any word, and the meaning will go with that. For example, I am a teacher. Okay, so here a is used to make the language look as it is, like I am a teacher. Now you don't need to say I am a teacher, you say I am a. Is that clear? I am a teacher, I'm a teacher. Is that clear to you? So you don't need to pronounce this a separately. I am a teacher. If you say I am teacher, still it is okay. I am teacher, I am teacher. Is that clear? So this is the style of speaking in English. Next thing, you can use everything that you want to say with the I am. I am a art. I am an artist. I am an artist. An is generally pronounced as an an artist. An artist. Okay. Now look at this. Second thing that you can do with the I am, you are, they are, he is the ing form. At that time you will talk about the actions. So you need to remember this: I am going. So memorize this. Your brain, the subconscious mind, knows nothing. It knows the pattern. It can follow the pattern better way, and therefore you have to teach it the pattern. You are speaking from your subconscious level. Is that clear? You don't think yourself. You do not wish that I should use this word and that word. It almost spontaneously happen, and therefore it is controlled by subconscious level. All things that you do not do by your wish are controlled by the subconscious mind, and therefore the speaking is also controlled by the subconscious mind, and hence we need to provide the pattern. So you have to memorize. I am going. The single thing memorization is enough. Your mind is capable enough to catch this ing, and it will learn that I am going, therefore I am cutting, and therefore I am teaching. So it is automatically learned, it is automatically produced when we want to speak. So I am going, we are going. What you need to do? You need to do practice. You need to do practice of this line. I am going, we are going, they are going. Okay, and your brain will make the repetitions of these. What will be the replica of this? They are ing. Your brain will make the feeling here. Don't worry about that, it will automatically done. Okay, and there will not be any mistake. So what you will do? I am going, we are going, they are going. Is that clear? Okay, now the next is I am. You can use here your past participle that you learn in a grammar book as a V3. Example, if you are writing the go, then its V3 is gone. If you are writing here, its V3 is heard. And if you are writing play, its third form is played. Is that clear? Okay, now if I write I am played, what should be its meaning? I am played. So the meaning will be मुझे खेला गया, मुझे खेला गया. Do you remember the sentence I have played? Okay, the action played is done by you, means you are the doer. Is that clear? Means the action is inside out, inside out. Okay, but here the played is done on you, done on I, means someone else does this action. So it is outside in, outside in. अगर आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि मैंने सुना है कि यही कहीं पर एक बगीचा है, तो I am heard. Is that clear? मैंने सुन रखा है means this process is done on I. मुझे सुनाया किसी ने तो भी. Is that clear to you? So I am heard that somewhere here there is a garden. Is that clear to you? Now I think that you can probably do the practice. These are only the tricks. I cannot teach you all in detail, so you must understand what we can speak when we use I am. You also try to understand the logic between other sentences. I will teach you all the things, but remember, this is not teaching English, this is teaching fluency. Even though you know all these sentences, you know the meaning of this sentence, even though you earlier know the meaning of this and this, still you need to memorize this. So you select your one stereotype and then memorize it. For example, if you select played, then write I am played, we are played, they are played, and do the memorization. Like if I write I am given, so देने वाला मैं नहीं हूँ, मुझे दिया गया है. I am given. Is that clear? I am finished. Okay, and I have finished. What is the difference? Can you tell me? Okay, this finished is done on I, and here the finish is done by the I. देखो, some external circumstances finished me, then I say I am finished. And if I finish certain job, for example eating, taking food, drinking, then I will say I have finished, means no more. Okay, I have finished. Suppose you are on a dinner table and you filled up your stomach, now you don't want any more, then you may say I have finished. Okay, but you fail. If you fail in a business, then you can say I am finished. So this is the difference between the two, am and have. So we are learning actually the I am. So I will write my stereotype sentences are: I am given, we are given, they are given. These are my stereotypes. Okay, and go on continuing up to the it is given. Okay, now, and remember the order: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I will repeat this order again and again, and then I will sometimes say I, and then I will say okay, and I have to eat. If I say I and then say up to eat, then it almost follow automatically. Is that clear? Means you have to say that we are given, you are given, they are given, he is given, she is given, it is given, isn't it? Okay, now there are some word like is, am, sorry, not this, I'm talking about the a and the. Remember, a means one, and means one, the means special one. Okay, so the is a short form of that. Keep in mind, the is a short form of that. Can you show your finger up to certain things, towards certain things, and say the book? If you are using the book, you must be able to look at the book, or either that must be seen inside your mind. Look, if on the table there are certain books, the books is on the table. The books means that books is on the table. Okay, yes, there is a difference, meaning there is a difference between the that and the, but this is a trick. Whenever you can replace the by that, then the is correct. So the book can be said as that book. Okay, now look at this sentence: I am the painter. Is it correct? I am that painter. The meaning of this is I am that painter. I am a painter like that painter. I am the painter means I am that painter, and I don't mean that. I don't mean that, and therefore I will write I am a painter. Okay, now I will explain you the uses of a and the. These are the articles, and these are very difficult to use in English, but I will explain you some tricky way to remember them. So this is about the that, and this is only. If you go through the grammar books, you will find 7 to 8 pages dedicated to the specialized use of the. But this is enough for you now, that I am the painter, that means I am that painter, and I don't mean that. मुझे ऐसा नहीं कहना है कि आई एम दैट पेंटर, मुझे तो कहना मैं पेंटर हूँ, एंड देयरफॉर आई एम अ पेंटर विल बी द करेक्ट. So try replacing the by that, and then you will understand. Yes, in this condition that is suitable, so my use of the is correct. And if sometime you find that is not appropriate in that particular sentence, then you may remove it because it is wrong. Okay, so for this for today it is enough. Now we should stop our lecture here.